Crystal Cap Cleaners, the worldwide leader in robotic paint applicator cleaning systems. We will explain our patented technology, then describe and show the benefits. And finally, present an acquisition plan that will put our cleaners in your paint shop without capital outlay. Within the past few years, robot manufacturers, automakers, and integrators have specified Crystal Cap Cleaners as the cleaner of choice. This evolved from replacing the original robot maker's gun box with Crystal Cap Cleaners over time. After each plant had run side-by-side comparison trials, the benefits were clear. Less fluid, less time, lowest cost of operation. The change to Crystal Cap Cleaners was easily funded by the cost savings.